Students of class ninth. Student, today we are going to understand about section 5 and 6. In this section, as a given about the spelling and grammar checking, and 6, it is related to thesaurus under the chapter of digital documentation from unit 3. The student, as you know, what is the spelling and grammar checking feature in MS Word and what is the use of that and what is the thesaurus. So first of all, we will talk about these two important part of our MS Word application. The first spelling and grammar feature of MS Word marks your errors in spellings and grammar of the selected language while typing. So before you learn how this feature works, you need to understand how basic things, how to set language, and what are the types of the errors marked by MS Word. The first of all, we understand here set the language. Language means to tell the MS Word that the word and grammar are to be checked according to the dictionary of the language. So you are referring to it means let understand how can we set the language here. Language, how can we set the first, as I'm showing to some picture here. Some picture means some as images related to the settings of the as a language in MS Word before as a correcting errors in the spelling grammars. The first have a look of this image. Student, you can see here, this is the step to set the language here. In your MS Word, it can be any version of the MS Word like 2010, 2016 or 13. It can be any version of the MS Word. You will find the review tab. Okay. The first of all, you will click on the review tab. Under the review tab, you find the language option in the language group. The first we will click here the language group. As you can see, you will click here the language group, and then you will select the set proofing language options. Okay, student, understand? First of all, you will click on the review tab, second language, and third it will be as a set proofing language. Understand? Now, as you click on the set proofing language, automatically this diagram here you can see this diagram will be appeared on the screen. You can see properly. I make zoom it here. This screen will come on the screen and you will select some language here like Arabian, Elestian, and Arabic words. I mean Arabic languages. What language you use in many country uses this type of application. This application, so they use this type of the facility given in this application. They select any their language and do their work. So as a selection, as a default selection is a English. Okay, you can select the other language, Russian, African, American, Chinese, different here language, Japanese. So you can first you find as a selected and default language here the English US. And then after the assuring about the language here, you will click here the OK button. You will click here OK button. As you click on the OK button, your language would be set here. Now next, I will show you how can we as a check the spelling and grammar. But before checking the spelling and grammar by practical, I want to show you some important term in the spelling and grammar checking. As you know, student, while typing we find these three wavy lines in the document. Okay, as a first of all, first as it is given here the green, second here the red, and third it is here the blue. So we find here the three wavy lines, green, red, and blue. So what is the means of these color or wavy lines? These wavy color line, what is the mean here? The first MS Word underlines the different types of errors in different color as here shown. So as first of all, red shows about here telling we red shows here the spelling errors, the correct spelling what should be here as a remove it. Now as we see here, kitchen, KITCHN, it is right? No na, is it not right? है ना, it is a not right. So here, what should be here? KITCHEN. So kitchen here should be. So this is, that's why it is showing here the wrong. So how can we correct that? I will tell you after that, but understand what is the mean of these wavy line here. Second here, we find second here green. This is shows here the green. Green, it is related to the grammatical mistake. Means in the example is given the as a here was, but it should be here were. It should be here were. The, it means if it is a plural, it is a telling about the plural spoons, many spoons. But was, it is for the individual singular. So there were many spoons lying on the floor. The floor is also not correct here. You can see floor is a no, also not correct here. You can see FLOUR. It is a fault for the here the wheat powder. It is related to the wheat, but lying on the wheat, it is not a correct here. The floor, it should be as a spelling. It is a blue line, and word is correct. Word is correct here. I know FLOUR. Word correct, but it is not a meaningful here. In this sentence, it is not a meaningful. For this, we write here the spelling FLOOR. We write the floor here. So it means we find here the three here wavy lines, and how can we correct it? How can we make it correct? So for this, for the correcting, let's have a look of this video. Okay, student, now we have a topic here, spelling and grammar in Word 2010. If you have the version 2013, 16, no problem. You can do that. Now, student, we have a some here matter, some here written or typed matter here. You find here the red wavy line here. Now for the correction, review option, then spelling and grammar. As a spelling and grammar, we click here, we find this dialog box. Now it is a December, it should be a not here, this, and you can correct manually or you can select by the suggestion and click on the change. If you have written everywhere, you can change all. And if it is telling here the noun, है ना, Roger Powell, it is a name, it is a name of the person. That's why it is showing here the wrong, because noun it accept as a wrong. So you can ignore once here or ignore all in all. Okay, ignore all, it will be disappeared from the every page. Or you want to add to dictionary for the future, it will not tell wrong in the future also. The first as you can add this in your dictionary. 14, as you can change as now here are there are many mistakes on the screen. You can see here there are many mistakes in the typed matter. So you can check it by manually by click right click on these. As you can see, red, green, and here the as a blue. Okay, so as I told you, what is the mean, what are the means of these wavy lines here. So as you can see, the first of all, if you want to correct it by manually, you can right click on this wrong or errors words here, the wrong words. As you right click on this, as it should be here no, not no, KNOW. And 14 spelling FORTEEN, 14. And learn here should be third form of the verb as learned here. And now as we can change these all. Now we can click on the option and we find here the proofing option. Inside the proofing option, we find find checkbox of the setting of spelling and grammar. We can check or uncheck. This is the check spelling as you type, use contextual spelling, mark grammar errors as you check the grammar with the spelling. These are you can uncheck also, but for the as a typing, as a understanding the it may mistake, so that's why we can here check the box. And you can hide the spelling errors in the document, hide the grammar errors in the document. You can hide these also errors. So click on OK button. Now you can see here there's no any mistakes. It is appeared now, so this we can make the clear the errors. So this way, student, we can here use the spelling and grammar checking options, as you can go by here the dialog box, or you can go by the shortcut key. As you know, student, what is the shortcut key for the spelling and grammar checking? You know, that is a F7. Yes, F7 is for here the spelling and grammar checking. When you press the spelling and grammar checking, you will find here the F7. So this way we can correct our wrong spelling in the MS Word. And now next we have a next section, section 6. Here we have a thesaurus. Thesaurus, as you know, antonyms and synonyms. So let's here talk about thesaurus. The thesaurus, what is the thesaurus mean? Thesaurus, student, as I think you are familiar with the synonyms and antonyms. So this is related to the thesaurus. Synonyms are different words having the same meaning. Okay, student, what I'm telling about here, the thesaurus. Thesaurus as a here the Thesaurus. The thesaurus here is a the combination of synonyms and antonyms. Means whenever you want to get the synonyms or antonyms in your document, you can find very easily with using here the thesaurus options. Like as a good, good can be as a the thesaurus. What should be a thesaurus of the good? Can you think about something, one or two words related to the good? Okay, I'm telling you here. And a good synonym should be as a like decent, helpful, safe, useful, well mannered, polite, obedient. These are some words related to the good. So now we cannot uh, keep remember these all things, na? So we sometime we want to get the synonyms and antonyms. Antonym is a as a reverse word of the synonyms. As a, you can say opposite word. The good as can be the opposite word of. As I told you about the synonyms, the now tell me as a good here. Yes, simple word and a bad. Yes, I know you are thinking about the bad here. The reverse word of the good, bad. But should be a naughty also, as you are all naughty. Okay, the naughty here, it is the word of the antonyms. Okay, so now next here we have the video for the thesaurus option. How can we check that? How can we get the thesaurus options in the thesaurus? Okay, student, now we have some word as I have written for you as a house. House is a very simple word, and I know you know the synonyms of this word. The synonyms, for knowing the synonyms of this word, what we will do here, so we can select this word as I told you. What is the use of the thesaurus? So we will select this word, or we can click on this word here. As a thesaurus, we I told about the thesaurus key. What is the use of the thesaurus and how can we use the thesaurus? Thesaurus, the shortcut key, as we can press the shortcut key. Student, what the shortcut key for the thesaurus option? As a shift plus F7 is the thesaurus option. We can get here, we can get activate here the shift plus F7, like here the spelling and grammar checking. So this way we can activate this option automatically. We don't have to go to the tab wise or menu or option wise. Automatically the screen will be appeared on the screen by pressing here shift plus F7. So we can use this shift plus F7 for using. So now how can we change, how can we get here? So first of all we click or select this word or click on this word, click on the review tab as we click here the thesaurus option. And now clicking the thesaurus option, automatically right pan will be right hand side will be appeared here as a in the proofing group, as a thesaurus we find in the proofing group. And as you click this, right pan will be appeared with the several meaning, several words related to the as a same meaning. Once again see here as a review and thesaurus. As you click on thesaurus we will get here this pan, and now in this pan we get here the many words as a like here related to this word as a home here, house, it is a related word to house here, and residence, dwelling, and abode, and decimile here, address, and building, and bungalow, cottage, many types of the words related to this word here. So if you want to enter the in place of house, click on this word as a residence. So as a, it should be appropriate this word what you are inserting. Okay, we can select here the residence or any word. So if you like it is a appropriate this word, you can click on this drop down and click on here the insert button. As you click on the insert button, automatically that word would be replaced. So this way we can use the thesaurus option.